Okay, let's talk about some simple med math. Let's talk about tablets. It's not very often we're given tablets in the field. Maybe you're given some at home. Maybe you're helping take care of a family member. Whatever. This is the basis of med math and the easiest to do. So we're going to talk about something we do in the field, which is aspirin, which is generally given 325 milligrams for cardiac-related chest pain. Generally, it is given in 81 milligram tablets. So 325 divided by 81 is 4 and change. But we're not going to divide that tablet up for that small amount. We're going to give 4 tabs, not milligrams. We're going to give 4 tabs. Or if you're a service that doesn't give much about the taste of aspirin, doesn't care because you're not the one eating it, you give 325 milligrams of the uncoated adult dose aspirin. You'll give 1 tab. Very simple, very easy. So say you have a patient that you need to give 800 milligrams of ibuprofen in the hospital, and they come in 200 milligram tablets because you are out of the extra strength ones, equals 4 tabs. And you can change that up. Say they're not quite that big, so you're going to only give 600. 6 divided by 2 is, not 6 tabs, it's 3 tabs. And so on and so forth. We could make this a little more complicated and say that the patient is getting 50 milligrams of a medication. It comes in 150 milligram. We don't want to do it that way because that we're not going to give. 100 milligram tablets. We're going to give 0.5 or tabs or 1/2 tablet. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, easy math. So now we're going to give a weight-based dose of tablets and say that the order is for 4 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. Your patient weighs 75 kilograms. So we're going to do 4 milligrams times 75 kilograms equals 150 milligrams, because that's the dose. That's what we're after, is the dose, right? Okay, so now we have the dose, or I'm sorry, it's not 150. Oh, it's 300 milligrams of a medication. So let's go back to our formula of what we have or what we want and what we have. So we want 300 milligrams. We have 150 milligram tablets. So that's double what we want. So we were going to give 2 tabs. And this marker is about dead. So now if we're going to go to the original, what I was thinking I did in the first place, and our dosage changes to 2 milligrams per kilogram, same 75 kilogram patient. So now we're going to give 150. That changes this down here to 150. 150, 150. So now we're going to give 1 tablet of that medication. So we're going to do a little bit of weight conversion real quick. So our conversion is 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, correct? So a 220 pound person, we're going to divide that by 2.2. That will equal 100 kilograms by the calculator. So there's another method you can use that's in your head that's a lot quicker and accurate enough for what we do. So take 220 divided by half equals 110. And we're going to subtract the first two numbers. So we're going to subtract 11. We're going to come to 99 kilograms. Okay? So that is an acceptable, and will get you close. And you can work it in your head. So we have a 125 pound patient divided in half. I just hurt myself on that one. So 62.5. We're going to drop the 0.5 because it doesn't matter. So in this instance, we're going to subtract by 6 minus 6 equals 58 kilograms. And just to double check ourselves, let's look at the so by the calculator, we'd be 56.8, so 57 kilograms. So we're just a little over in this instance. So 125 divided by half, 62 minus 6 equals 56 kilo. Okay, so I was off just a little bit. So 56 kilograms. You see, it gets you close. It works well. Keep that in mind. It's quick and easy. It saves you some time, especially in testing situations and in the field once you're practicing, when you may not want to grab the calculator because your hands are all nasty and your only calculator you have is on your phone unless you carry one in your pocket. Or there's one on the ambulance somewhere that they carry. So then we're going to do some quick bolus medications. So these are done by concentration. So you want your want. What is the amount we want to give by what we have, times its volume in milliliters. Okay, so we want to give 5 ml. It comes in 10, or I'm sorry, we want to give 5 milligrams. It comes in 10 milligrams per 1 ml. Five times 1/5. We're going to give half an ml. Not sure quite where I went wrong on that one. So we want to give 5 milligrams. We have 10 milligrams in 2 ml. So we know that there's 5 in each ml. So that's easy, 1 ml. Say we want to give 150 milligrams of amiodarone. It comes in 450 milligrams per 9 ml equals 3 ml.